Here we are going to discussing what is a composite function and how to solve them. Consider the three sets x, y and z. Okay, so these are the three sets x, y, z, and let f from x to y and g from y to z be the two functions. Okay, so here this f from x to y and g from y to z. Okay, this f, this g. Clear? The composite function of f and g denoted by g of f. We can read as g of f and defined as g of f from x to y is given by g of f of x is equal to g of f of x for all x belongs to capital X. Okay, this is the definition of composite function. That means here you take x, so you take x, this x is mapping to what, y. That means this becomes what, f of x. Okay, so x is mapping to f of x, this f. Okay, so f is defined from x to y and g is defined from y to z. So this becomes what, here g of f of x, here. Okay, so this is a g is mapping from y to z. So this, therefore, composite function g of f is g of x from x to z. This is g of f. Clear? This is a definition. Okay, so this g of f of x means the composite function of f and g. That means once f is substituted in g, you will get a composite function. So once function is substituted in another function, we will get the composite function g of f. But here, what is g dot f of x? This dot means the into function. This is a multiplication of two functions. That means g and f multiply the two functions. This here what, the composition. That means here substitution. One function is substitute to another function. That is a meaning. This is a multiplication. Then suppose in g of f of x, in this function here two functions are there. Then this f is what, inner function. Okay, and g is outer function. G is outer function. Okay, clear? So in composite function, G of f of x, G of f of x is composite function, okay, that formed f of x is substituted for x in g of x. So how the composite function g of f is formed f of x, this inner function substitute in what? F of x, or for f of x in g of x, or f of x is substitute in g of x, we will get the composite function. So we can take one example. Suppose take the example here. Suppose f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x equal to 3x minus 5. Then find g of f. How to find the g of f? Okay, so you take g of f of x equal to g of f of x. Okay, here inner function f of x is substitute in g of x. So you first write the outer function. What is the outer function here? G of x equal to 3x minus 5. Okay, so here you write 3, okay, minus 5. This x is replaced by f of x, that is f of x substitute for f of x in g of x, that is here you write what? F of x. Clear? In g, first you write the g function, then replace in g, replace x by f of x. Clear? Then equal to 3 into what is f of x? F of x is this one, f of x 2x plus 1 minus 3. Clear? Then you remove the bracket. Okay, 3 into 2x 6x plus 3 into 1 3, here 5 no, minus 5. Okay, that is equal to 6x minus 2. Clear? This is a g of f. Next, f of g is formed when what? G of x is substituted for x in f of x. Clear? Then f of g is formed, g of x, this outer function is substitute, sorry, inner function is substitute in outer function. Okay, so here same example you can take, but to find what? Find f of g. Okay, so f of g of x equal to f of g of x. Clear? So here what? G inner function is substitute outer function. First you write outer function. What is f of x? F of x equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, so here you write this equal to what? 2, then replace what? Replace g. X is replaced by g of x plus 1. Okay, then equal to, or you can take the next page, equal to 2 into what is g of x? 3x minus 5 plus 1. Then remove the bracket. 2 into 3x, 6x, then 2 into minus 5 minus 10 plus 1 equal to 6x minus 9. Okay, this part f of g. Okay, what is g of f? G of f is, you can check here, g of f is what? 6x minus 2. 6x minus 2. Here check these two are equal. No. Also here can say in general g of f not equal to f of g also. Here can clear the idea. Okay.